So what kind of chickens do we have in our backyard? This one is an Isa Brown. This one is a Brown Leghorn. This one is a Golden Wonderlet. This one is a Silver Wyandottes. This one is an Ameraucana. Both of them are Jersey Giants. And we have Bantam chickens. The orange one is a Mille. They're from Belgium. We have a Bar Rock Rooster. And we have a Jersey Giant Rooster. And we have a regular Leghorn. And we have another Bantam that I don't know what it is. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments. Then we have chicks. These are about a month old. And they're all mixed breed. Looks like there's a lot of Bar Rock in them. And then we have chicks that are just a couple of days old.